So it's been a fair bit of rain last night again, but we're just out having a bit of a look, and so the pings finally let go. I'm only on the push bike today, so I can't wet the engine. But I'm certainly getting wet myself. Well, there's that restaurant I looked at last night. Just check that out. Anyway, the bags didn't do much good in that situation. We're just approaching the Iron Bridge, and that area last night it wasn't too bad, but today she's not looking too good. That's the Ring King on the right, the yellow popular restaurant on the left. It was pretty hard pedaling when you're in a bloody foot of water. Freaking hell. And there's the thing on the left there. Iron Bridge just behind that. I think I can go across the Iron Bridge here, but it's just about lapping underneath it here. Water everywhere. Just down here. That's where Richard and I had dinner the other night. Bit underwater now.